Good morning, everyone. In science subjects, yesterday I have discussed about the plants and its functions and parts of the plants. What is the plants and how many kinds of plants? There are 3 types of plants. Yesterday I have told you: herbs, shrubs, and trees. In rest of these 3 types of plants, next other types of plants known as the creeper, climbers and creepers. Climbers and creepers. Climbers and creepers. So climbers and creepers. Climbers are that plants having upright and readily climbs up a neighboring supports like a fence or a tree is called climbers plants. Climbers plants have special organs for climbing called tendrils, and that tendrils does not have any creepers types of plants. Yesterday I told you about the discuss and about the climbers. Some of the example of the climbers are pea plants, bitter gourd, sweet gourd, bottle gourd, grapevine, passion flower, glory lily. All these plants have a various types of tendrils in them. Means you should know, you should keep in your mind, climbers types of plants having a tendril organs. That organs helps to climb with the support of any trees or fence. And in other hand, creepers are plants having thin, long and weak stem which cannot stand upright and spreads on the ground is called creepers. Creepers does not have any types of tendrils or special organs. Climbers having special organs, that name is a tendrils. So the example of the creepers: strawberry and money plants. So main difference between the climbers and creepers plants: climbers plants are having organs, that name is the tendrils, and creepers plants does not have any types of organs or tendrils. So all of you know about the 3 types of plants: herbs, shrubs and trees. Rest of these other types of plants: climbers and creepers. Climbers having tendrils, special organs which supposed to the climb to any trees or any height of distance, and creepers do not have any types of tendrils. These are the main difference between the climbers and creepers. Now next topic: parts of the plants. After this, parts of the plants. So parts of the plants, parts of the living things. Each plant has many parts to perform various functions for its survival. These parts of the plants help to survive their lives because plants is a living things. So the main parts of the plants are roots, stem, branches, leaf, flowers and fruits. Main parts of the plants: fruits, stem, branches, flowers, fruits, stem, branches, flowers and leaves. These are the parts of the plants. Each part of the plants perform specific functions. Means leaves perform other types of functions, stems also perform other types of functions, branches also performs other types of functions, means different parts of the plants perform different types of functions, specific types of functions. So let us start with the part of plants called root. First part of the plants is called root. Root is the underground part of the plants. So what is the roots? So we will discuss about the first roots. The part of a plant which is below the ground, or the part of a plant which is in the soil, is called root. The roots of a plant perform a number of functions. The main functions of the roots of a plant are: first, roots anchor the plants to the soil. It means that root fix in the plant firmly to the soil, and it helps us to prevent the plant from being pulled out easily or blown away by the wind. Means roots support to the plant for stood up or erect. Second, performation of the roots. Roots absorb water and minerals from the soils. Root absorb water and mineral from the soils, and these are needed for the manufacture of food by the plant leaves. Means previous chapters I have discussed about food. Plants require food for survive their life, and that food completed by making by the photosynthesis process with the help of soil, water and sunlight. So that soil and water means minerals performed by the root from the soil. And third, root helps in holding the soil together. Means roots, underground roots help soil, holding soil together. These are the functions of the roots. First, roots helps for stood up to the trees and don't get down from the help of the any winds. Second, roots absorb water and minerals from the soil. It helps for making food by the photosynthesis process. And third, root helps in holding the soil together. These three functions, three performations of the roots. Next, types of roots. Types of the roots. There are mainly two types of the roots. First, tap roots. Second, fibrous roots. First, tap root. Fibrous roots. First, tap roots. Second, fibrous roots. Tap root and fibrous roots. Tap roots, what is a tap root? So, tap root is a straight tapering root, straight under the ground. Tap root is a straight tapering root which grows vertically down into the soil and gives out branches on all the sides. These are known as the tap roots. Tap roots, straight tapering root, grows vertically down. Tap roots goes vertically down and stretch in all directions their branches. What is the example of the tap roots? Mango trees, neem tree, pea plant, marigold, tulsi, gram, carrot, radish, beet, turnip. These types of plants, these types of trees having a tap roots. These are the example of the tap roots. In other hand, fibrous roots. Some plants do not have a main root. Means they spread all around in first layer of the earth. They have a bunch of small similar roots called fibrous roots. Means same types of roots having a bunch. The fibrous roots consist of many thin fiber like roots of a similar size. These are the example of the fibrous roots: wheat, paddy, grass, maize, millet, bajra, bamboo, sugarcane, sweet potato. These are the example of the fibrous roots. And some of the plants store food in their roots. We eat such roots of food. Means we eat roots, not fruits, directly. For example, carrot, radish, sweet potato, turnip. These are the example of the roots, fibrous roots. Which types of roots we will eat easily. So these are the functions and parts and types of the roots. After types of the roots, we will discuss about the stem, next parts of the plants. Okay, thank you.